And then along the same lines, it's useful to go in and show customers the RF spectrum data that gets collected by every single MR access point. So, you know, raw spectrum data, it's always being collected. You can see in this spectrum tool um, any sort of interference with the environment, maybe coming from things like microwave ovens, and get a better, more granular view into average channel utilization across your radios and access points. So if I come in here right away, looking at some of the access points in my network here, and if I click into any single one of these, getting some real-time information, and I can switch between, which channels I want, but literally seeing a sort of map buildup of the interference happening, and even getting a list of interfering access points that are impacting this particular wireless AP on my network. One of my all-time favorite things to demo to potential customers is our CMX location analytics. So CMX standing for Connected Mobile Experiences. And these are features built into the MR that display real-time location statistics to improve customer engagement and loyalty across sites with metrics that reveal traffic trends such as dwell time and new versus repeat visitors. So one of the features of our location analytics is this locations heat map. And you get to this map by navigating from wireless to location heat map here. And we've uploaded floor plans for our network. So what we're looking at is our fifth floor. And essentially what this is showing you is data that the MR access points collect. So this is Wi-Fi data, such as probe requests and RSSI information from various mobile devices, like mobile phones, for example. And this information is used to paint a historical heat map that visualizes and plots user density trends and that you can see on floor plans. So we can see our Meraki access points here, and literally I can come here and I can press play, and I can see on the fifth floor, how devices, some that are connected to our wireless networks, some that aren't but that have been detected, how these devices are moving around our building over time. And so you can see, I'm zooming out a little bit, you can see as the day wears on, it gets very, very busy over here on the fifth floor, and then we should see that taper off and become more green. Yes, you can see very early in the morning here at sort of non-business hours. So very, very cool. So the only other thing I want to highlight about CMX Location Analytics is that we do have an API for all of this so that developers can get access to the raw client data. Now, where can you go to find information about this? Well, if you go to developers.meraki.com and you come down to our API docs and come into Location API, there's a wealth of information here for you to help you understand how to implement the API successfully for your organization. And with that, I conclude this demo.